Hey! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OnePlus 10T to an Android device. Firstly, you need to access Play Store on both. Then tap on the search bars, type in Send Anywhere, and install this free app from this developer. Following that, open it. Then, to use Send Anywhere app, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both smartphones. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of your OnePlus and Receive on an Android over here. After that, you need to choose all of those type of dots from all of those categories, and when you're ready, hit Send over here. This way you will select all of those files and then send them. It will take some time though to do it now, so I will go with only this one photo, choose Send and then select Got It in the pop-up. Now on an Android, click on one of those options, yes I agree or no thanks, and select Close this window. Now we have the ways to connect. We can connect those smartphones by scanning this QR code. If you wish to do that, just click on this scanning icon on an Android, then select while using the app or only this time, and point your camera at the QR code. If you want to, you can always input this key over here as well, and connect by choosing Receive button. As you can see, after a while, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!